is Tamara and you are watching Language Lessons with Tamara. My weekend is gonna be ruined. I have to make time to rake all those leaves around my house. Oh! Rake leaves? Що вона має на увазі rake leaves? Oh gosh, all those weeds around my house, they're driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. Weeds. Що вона має на увазі? Weeds. Якщо ви не певні, що таке rake the leaves чи weeds, то це відео стане для вас в нагоді, а також ви матимете змогу вивчити декілька нових фраз, коли мова йде про gardening tools and actions, тобто про роботу, котру ми з вами робимо в саду, та які інструменти ми з вами використовуємо. Це відео надасть вам змогу поповнити ваш словарний запас. Ну що ж, перейдемо до прикладів. Mow the lawn. It's time to mow the lawn again. I mow the lawn every week in the summer. Well, you certainly can't mow the lawn in the dark. Plant vegetables, plant veggies. When is the best time to plant the veggies? He doesn't have a good success ratio when it comes to planting veggies. He refused to plant veggies in his yard. Plant flowers. What is the best spot for planting flowers? Do you think planted flowers will bloom soon? Planted flowers in her yard looked good. Water the flowers. Do not water your flowers too much. When I'm traveling, please don't forget to water the flowers. I think he must have watered the flowers as the soil looks wet. Rake leaves. I watched the man rake leaves into heaps. I can't wait to rake leaves, have a bonfire, and roast chestnuts. Raking leaves is her weekly routine. trim the hedges. He was outside trimming the hedges. How often do you trim the hedges? What tools do you need to trim the hedges? Prune the bushes. He received notice from the city to prune the bushes around his house. He must have just pruned the bushes as they looked neater than before. Be careful pruning the bushes as some hedges are sharp. Weed. You should weed the garden before lunch. The weed had twisted itself around the branches. Tomorrow I have to weed the garden. Weed killer. With the repeated application of weed killer, the weeds were gone. Use a spray to apply the weed killer. Read the directions carefully to ensure you're using the correct weed killer in the right way. Weeder. Be sure to use the weeder in the yard so the weeds will not grow. He was thirsty after he used the weeder in the yard. Easy to handle miniature weeder, a good hand for your gardening. Не здивайтесь, бо я знаю, англійська це важко, але у вас все вийде. Та вимовляйте все вголосно, для того, щоб м'язи вашого рота та ваші власні вуха мали змогу звикнути до англійської. Щиро дякую. Weed barrier. The weed barrier is a must if you want to control weed growth. The weed barrier installment is easy. She found that the weed barrier was much more useful than she anticipated. lawn mower. I can't get the lawn mower to go. The lawn mower is a bit rusty but still usable. He turned the engine of the lawn mower off and waved back. Line trimmer. The line trimmer is great when it comes to cutting the edges of your lawn. A light trimmer made a loud noise. He used the line trimmer to cut the grass in his yard. Shovel. She dug the foundation with a pick and a shovel. He has to get out and shovel snow. A shovel was leaning against the wall. Vegetable seeds. Don't mix up the two kinds of vegetable seeds. Be sure to take good care of vegetable seeds. He shared extra vegetable seeds with her. Hoe. She bought herself a hoe and a sickle. I have to feed the chickens and hoe the potatoes. Hoe the garden in spring. Trowel. That was laid on with a trowel. After putting the footing, trowel the top so it is smooth and level. Spurred by some odd impulse, he threw the trowel as far as he could. Ну що ж, ви зараз вже знаєте, що таке Rake leaves та weed. І я сподіваюся, що це відео також стане для вас в нагоді, коли ви будете спілкуватися з англомовними співрозмовниками. Щиро дякую за вашу увагу. Якщо вам сподобалось це відео, не забувайте про thumbs up. а також про поширення, бо якщо ви ширите знання, ви ширите турботу. Дуже дякую, я побачу вас наступного разу. See you next time, bye bye!